everyone, I am Arush Rishit and you are watching Current Arush English. In this video, I am going to build a Javascript DOM project. So let's get started. So firstly, I want to tell you what we are going to build. We are going to build a Instagram add friend and remove friend button. So let's get started. So firstly, I create a folder, and when you will create a folder, you will see open with code. And by the way, I want to tell you, this is five part series, and today is part 1, and we will build a project in every part. So I will toggle the search, and we can allow outline and timeline like this, so it will navigate this. This is Visual Studio Code thing. So we can now continue. Index.html. Now I want to tell you a VS Code trick for creating a simple structure. You can firstly let me close the folder. Yeah, now we can proceed. So I want to tell you a VS Code trick. So when I type exclamation mark, shift +1 means exclamation mark. When I press this, you will see this submit abbreviation. When you click it, it will automatically generate VS Code boilerplate, means HTML boilerplate. VS Code will generate it for you. So we will type here Insta Friends project. Okay. So now we can see create a main list. So first let's run this only. So we can so I have installed the extension. You can go to extension and save for, we will hide this and save for live server. This extension, you have to install this extension. So you will see this button, go live button, and when you click on this button, it will say starting, and it will automatically open a web page like this. You can remove this part, it will also show that, because index.html is default page. So we have added its default page. And if I change the name of this page, suppose home, and when I go here, it will look like this. So I will rename this to index, and we can also put that like this. 1 minute. You can just do this and go here and click here and drag it like this. You can click on home.html. This thing. Now is it okay? France spelling is wrong. Here you can see when we added it, it will automatically reload. We don't need to reload. We can say main dot, else we can type a section also. Section is good. Section dot main, and I will show you magic with only just this thing. We are injecting a CSS here. You will see nothing is happened because we does not put anything in section. We can also remove it and type the other code, but that's part of HTML, and we will focus on our projects. I will also create a course on it, so you can learn HTML from that. So first we will type star margin 0 pixel, padding 0 pixel, box sizing, border box this much, and now we will say body background color will be cornflower blue. You will see this. And now we can say body dot name, background color white. You will see nothing when I save this. Nothing will happen because it does not have width and height, or it will have content, then it will automatically do that. And now we can say height as 400 pixel. You will see this div. We can say border radius to 10 pixels. You will see this curvy box. This is curvy, and we can see display grid, template, grid template rows to 1, grid template columns to 1. Please content center. You will see this, it is in center now. We can also put here items. It will also remain the same, so we will not change that. Now you will see this much, and when I comment it, you will see the page is very ugly. That's because CSS is not that, without CSS any site has not that much good looking. Now after this we can say create image src is equal to blank, and like this we will go to unsplash.com. We will go here, right click, copy image address and paste that here. When you paste that here and save it, you will see image like this. Now it's expanding outward, so we will fix that later. We will fix that now. And we will see width is, what's the height? So we can see width to 50 pixel. It's so small, so we can put that to 100. Now after this we can say paste this all, because we don't have put here a property place item center. Yes, now it's working like this. And we can also set border radius to 50%, and also we can set border to 1 pixel, solid red, not that much looking good. We can enhance the border by a site, fancy border radius. You have to go here, this. So we can give a look like this. We can also take that here. Yeah, now we will copy this and paste that here. You will see it's looking like cliff, but we don't want that effect. Now you can see it's looking like an oval, so we want it has to be circle. So we will put here 100 pixel, because when the width and height will be same, then only a circle can be made up. Yeah, it's looking good. We can change the color here. We will say like this, not that much. We will say magenta. Yeah, now it's looking good. So we will go here and say div dot. We don't need div right now, so we will say span, or we can also do it as h1. It will also be good. So process mountains Avengers. Sorry, Mountain Explorer. Avengers are different. Mountain Explorer. This is ID. And we can go here and say dot main h1 as color red, like this. And after this we will say create a span stranger, like this. We can say here dot main span will be color red, and font size as 30 pixels. It's so big, so we can put that so small. Yeah, good. Now it's looking good. So we can also say here Google Fonts. Take me to Google Fonts. Click here, and in it we will say Urbanished. This font. I like this font so much. So we can go here and down and say to select where is that font. We can say import like this much. Not here, at here. And we will say to all the text font family as Urbanished. But it is not working. Urbanished and sandals like this. Yes, now it's working. Look how looking it's great. So we can say, now we can say div dot why am doing again and again div add like this, and in it we will say to main button. Now after this we can say, firstly let's test this only. Yes, it's working. Now we can set the padding as 10 pixel and width as 100 VW. Not here. 1 mm. Sorry, 100 mm. Yeah, now it's okay. We will say cursor as pointer and background color as blue violet, border none, borders none, like this. Now we can say color as white, alias blue. Alias is also looking good. And after this we will say font weight to 200. Yeah, now it's looking good. We can say a script, means create a script. Script like this and colon SRC also it will create emit. VS Code emits are amazing. I love that. You can say alert. Hello. Okay. Const add btn is equal to document dot query selector like this and dot main button add btn dot add event listeners click comma like this much. What's happening? Yeah, now we can see working w-r-k-i-n-g ... Okay, now we will change the text. Yes, you can see when I click on add, it changes to cran. And what if I click on it and its color also changes? So we can do it by style dot and we will say here color as green. Now if I click here, it's now fanned. So now you will see our project is done. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.